Great. So let us walk through how to connect a domain and go live with your Go High Level website. It's very easy, nothing very complicated, nothing that you need to worry about, nothing that you need to be very technical about. So I come to settings. Inside settings, you will find the options to add domains. Now, inside domains, if I see, these are the current domains that I have. If I want to add a new domain, I have different options. So I want to connect a domain for the funnel, website, store, blog, webinar. I want to connect the domain for email services, for WordPress, for a client portal, or for a branded domain. So let's click on branded domain for now. That means branded domains means this one, where instead of app.gohighlevel.com you see app.sawankumar.com. So yeah, I won't want to set it up for this place. Let's go back, click on connect a domain. I add a new domain, let's say something XYZ, so evolve10xai.com. I click on continue. So along with adding www.evolvexai.com, I also want to add a non-www domain. Yeah, that's fine. I have the option to add record manually, or I can give Go High Level the permission to log into my GoDaddy account and update the records automatically. So I can go with that. Let's look at the option to add it manually. So that is all that you need to do. Set up your domain manually by adding the following records. The A name should be this, the C name should be this. Now how do you do that? For that, let me jump to a GoDaddy account. I'm not sure if I have access to any. Let me check. Okay, sign in. Okay, let's sign into this one account that I have. I go to all products, my products. Here I have all the different domains that I have. So I click on, let's say, nishamo.com. And inside this, I'll find the option to edit the DNS. Now, where do I find that? Manage domain. The DNS settings, and in the DNS settings I simply need to add like all of these records that's added. So you'll see that I already have the record A, record 162.159.140. This is already added. Similarly, you'll see that the C name with a host of www and then site dot, this is already added. Now how do you add it? Is very simple. Simply I click on add a new record, select the type to be a name, host is @ required value is this. Similarly for the C name, you change the C name, make it www, and you copy paste the value and you click on save. Once that is done, you verify the records. This won't be verified over here because I added a domain that does not exist till now. Now once this is verified, your domain gets added and you are ready to connect. Now once this is done, you can simply now go to your funnels or your websites. You can simply go to the funnels, go inside the funnel, click on settings, and you'll find the option to select the domain that you have just added. That would appear over here, and you can simply add this domain right here. That's how easy it is to adding a domain. Setting SSL and redirects, well, that you can do it on your domain itself. Enable SSL to keep your site secure. Redirect to the non-www version to a www to avoid duplicate content issues. Now once the site is live, Make sure that you test it on your mobile and your desktop. You test the forms, the buttons, the CTAs, and page load speed. And once you have done all of that, congratulations, you are officially live with your own branded domain. So that's all for the domain. Should you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the Q&A section. And if you haven't yet signed up for the 30 days free Go High Level trial with the live bootcamp training, find the link in the resources section, or once again ask me about it in the Q&A section. And once you do that, you get access to the $1,000 worth of free training on how to build and scale your agency to a 10K per month. You also get access to the premium community and weekly live coaching calls with me. Okay, so I'll see you inside.